In this video, I'll show you how to reactivate your Instagram account after temporarily deactivating it. This works on both iPhone and Android. So, if your Instagram account was temporarily disabled by you, don't worry, it's very easy to get it back. First, open the Instagram app. Now, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. If you previously deactivated your account, Instagram may have switched you to another account automatically. To reactivate it, tap your username at the top, then select Add Account. Next, tap Log into Existing Account. Now, simply enter the username, email, or phone number linked to your deactivated Instagram account. Then type your password and tap Log In. After logging in successfully, Instagram will automatically reactivate your account and restore your profile, posts, followers, and messages just like before. Keep in mind that if you recently deactivated the account, Instagram may take a few hours before reactivation works properly. And that's it. Your Instagram account is now active again. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips, social media tutorials, and iPhone and Android guides.